In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how you can make money online using Amazon Mechanical Turk. So, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, is a service by Amazon where you can work as a worker and earn money online by doing different tasks. When you think of Amazon, you probably think of the online store where you can buy stuff, but that's not what we're doing here. Besides its shopping platform, Amazon also offers different services, and one of them is Amazon Mechanical Turk. MTurk is basically a global, on-demand, 24/7 workforce. If we check it out, we can see it's a crowdsourcing marketplace that helps businesses and individuals outsource their work to a distributed workforce, meaning people like us can do small tasks for them online. Our job is to be the worker performing these tasks. These tasks can include things like taking surveys, moderating content, or even testing different website features. Companies come to Amazon MTurk because they need help testing their websites, collecting data, and optimizing their platforms. We, as workers, test these websites or complete other tasks, and in return, Amazon pays us a percentage of what the companies pay them. The benefits for companies include making their work more efficient, saving money, and increasing flexibility. If we look here, companies called requesters submit tasks to the MTurk marketplace, and workers, that's us, complete them to earn money. Now, let's see how this actually works. Clicking on Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk will give you two options. One for companies that want to submit work, and another for workers who want to earn. Since we're making money, we'll choose Request a Worker account. Then you'll need to sign into your Amazon account. If you don't have one, create one. Otherwise, just log in. Once your MTurk account is set up, your dashboard will look something like this. It may be slightly different, but you'll see requesters on the left. These are the businesses submitting tasks. The tasks are called hits, human intelligence tasks, and your hit queue shows all the available tasks. Under the hits column, you'll see how many times a task has been completed. For example, this task has been done 1,091 times, and each time, the worker earned 2 cents, as shown in the reward column. The payment for each task varies. Some pay $1, some pay 25 cents, and some are just a few cents. The amount depends on how long and difficult the task is. For example, a 3-cent task is probably super quick, while a $1 task may take more time and effort. You can preview tasks by clicking the Preview button, and if you want to do a task, just click Accept and Work, and it'll guide you through the process. Now, how do you get paid? If you complete a task properly, you get paid, but if a task is rejected, you won't get anything. Also, companies can choose not to pay if they feel the work wasn't done correctly, so it's important to follow their instructions carefully. If we check this earnings chart, we can see how much someone made in 30 days. On average, they earned $33.75 per day by doing 145 tasks daily. Some days they made $10, some days $25, and other times even $70. But on slower days, they only made a few cents. It all depends on how many tasks you do and how much effort you put in. Some tasks take longer but pay more, while others are quick but pay less. So yeah, that's how you can make money with Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you found this helpful, leave a like. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.